Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome to Cast Iron Cooking, Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to be doing meatballs today because I tried to go to the butcher shop to get some rare exotic meat, and just traffic, I just didn't have time. So I'm going to make meatballs because I need lunch today, lunch for work tonight, and then also maybe tomorrow too, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm trying to get this done, eaten, packed up, cooled down, and then go to work in an hour. So fingers crossed. All right. So I don't make the best meatballs. I think my mom makes them the best. So she never shared her meatball recipe with me. A little disappointing, but we're just gonna wing it. So I get a little bit of garlic powder. Oh, I should have fresh garlic. What am I doing? Well, whatever. Uncle Steve's seasoning, just a little bit. Got some cumin, because I like cumin, which never wants to come out. A little bit of bacon salt, because of the novelty of it. Not a lot. A little bit of traditional breadcrumbs. You noticing I'm not measuring? And uno huevos. These just mixed up. I need a little bit more crumbs. Yep. Okay. Might be okay. Alright, pan is heating up nicely. Got my meat mixture. Just going to start forming meatballs. I'm not going to make them super big because I want them to bake in time to go to work. I'm not weighing them for, well, there goes the oven. The oven is hot. I'm not going to weigh them for perfect sizing, although it would be good to get them all uniform. And I could use a scooper, I'm just kind of being lazy. Alright, I'm not sure I was recording then, but basically I was saying that I got them all in, and some of them aren't the same size as others, which I'm not really that worried about. Shouldn't really affect their taste. It will affect their cooking, but not much I can do about that. I'm just trying to get them all browned. Once I get them browned, then I will move them in the oven and finish them off. I'm going to make basically the same pasta I made in the salmon video, because I've still got some herbs left over. I didn't want to waste them, so I'm going to make that, which I probably won't show a lot of that because you've already seen it. There's no point in showing it to you twice. Alright, go ahead and get them in the oven. Alright, meatballs are done. The big one temped out just fine. They look good. Man, I love meatballs. Love me some meatballs. I mean, I love burgers too, but I love meatballs. So happy with the color. Got my same herb pasta going, which you've already seen. Just waiting for the pasta to finish. Got my pan going, which you've already seen. So we'll. I'm waiting for my pasta. I guess I can go ahead and try a meatball. Let's try this little guy here. Nice texture on the meatball. Alright. Pretty damn good. Nowhere near as good as Mom's, but still pretty tasty. Grab a couple meatballs. A bunch of this yummy pasta. Fresh pepper. And that's lunch.